Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this vacuum sealer. This thing is so nice because it's so small. You could easily put this in a drawer and save it. One touch button. It's got a 1200 milliamp hour battery, so you can actually seal up to like 1,000 bags on one charge, and they give you 30 bags. You can seal and unseal, and this nice little clip to close it up, so you don't even have to use your fingers to do it. That'll just get it all nice and tight for you. So no more using these bags where you just got air all over, and this is gonna go bad really fast. I'm gonna bring you in here. We're gonna put these peppers in the bag, and then we will watch this little guy go to work. So here is this vacuum sealer up close. You just have your one-touch operation, your recharging port right there, and then this actually just comes off, so it's like a little stand. And then you've got your little vacuum seal thing here. It's kind of got a silicone rubberized edge there, so it can easily grip on. And then it also comes with your charging cord and the 30 bags. And then here is the little sealer. So let's go ahead and transfer my peppers into this bag here. It does have a nice clear side on the one, and then kind of a more foggy side here with a little texture on there. So we'll go ahead and put peppers in. Then we can just easily use this little clip. We start it on this side over here and just kind of slowly pinch it and bring it across, and then that will seal it for us, and then we don't have to use, like I said, our fingers and pinch real hard or anything. So now that is completely sealed up here, but it's still filled up with air. So here is where this little guy comes in handy. You've got this area right here. We're just going to stick that right over there. And you can see the air that is getting sucked out of it super fast. And this is gonna keep it like 5 times longer for the freshness. Instead, it's got that 60 kPa suction in about 5 seconds. I mean, that is sealed. That took no time at all. That looks fantastic. Absolutely love that. That was super quick. I love how small this thing is. Easy to store. It's got nice little grips on the side to be able to hold on to. It's a great handy kitchen tool.